You can just touch it?
Yeah, you can just touch it.
That feels pretty good.
That's so weird.
Manscaped has the perfect gifts for any man this Valentine's Day.
Got you something.
Perfect.
Oh.
Okay, I'm excited.
Your balls will take you. I love it.
This must be the main event.
Lawnmower 4.0.
Ooh.
Ooh, okay,
There
nice
it
and
goes.
silent.
How comfortable would you be with trimming balls on camera?
Oh,
Let's do it.
Will you hold them ever so gently?
of course, as I always do. Oh, yeah. Oh, my. I think I could do this for you.
Sure.
You can use it on the shower.
You can use it
It can get wet
In the shower?
in the shower.
Okay, so there's no plug here, so how's this gonna charge when I put it in here? Is it just
It's wireless.
plug this into the wall?
Yes.
And you just put this in there, and boom, wireless charge.
Just go for it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They're not subtle with the names, the Weed Whacker.
Crispy, crunchy.
But it's not painful whatsoever.
Oh, they're fun. Great, right?
What?
I don't know. Let's discover it together. Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant.
It's smooth. It's smooth. You can feel the glide on it. I know it's gonna work when I put it on now.
I mean, you've talked about like when you come out of the gym and you're like sweating.
Yeah, I'm walking like a puppet.
That's gonna be my thighs.
This is the Crop Reviver Ball Toner. Like my face toner before your balls.
Yeah, and you can just like
Okay.
My balls in your face are gonna.
Don't finish that sentence.
Anyway, this is great. This is great. Sorry.
Ooh.
What are those?
Hello.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
They're so soft.
They're perfect.
But make sure you see it all.
This is tight.
I would get it just for this cool leather bag.
I know, isn't it great? And then you can put it all here.
Genius.
Am I reading the paper?
Place them on the ground while you trim. Easy cleanup.
Where am I gonna trim my balls?
Save the balls.
You're welcome.
This is the longest I've ever talked about my balls with you before.
Go to manscaped.com and give your man the Performance Package 4.0.